back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be putting on my wig and styling it for you guys. So if you want to see how I do that, stay tuned. So I'm just starting off by just applying my wig cap, and then I'm just putting on some of my foundation right at the little front where I'm gonna have my part. And now I'm just putting on the wig and clipping it in. So now I'm just gonna apply the glue and then blow dry it a little, and then pull the wig up and fix it how I'd like for it to go. So I'm just gonna blow dry it until the glue is like sticky a little bit to touch, and it's not as white, it's gonna be a little bit clear. So now I'm just going in with my edge control and I'm styling my edges the way I want them to lay. And I'm just gonna cover that when I'm done for a little bit, maybe while I just curl my hair, and then I've got to go, so it's not gonna be there for a long time. So I'm just gonna cover it for a little, just enough time to let it set for a little. Now I'm just taking my my foundation, and I'm just applying a little bit of that to the part so that it will match my skin. So here's the finished look, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.